Hi, and welcome to KDKB, Krazy Darcy's Krazy blog, episode 7. I know I haven't done one of these for a while, but this one is on a relatively uncreative subject of cataloguing your artwork. This is a Photoshop document of the title for my blog. A catalogue can be something quite simple, such as a spreadsheet in something like Microsoft Excel, or it could be using something like Microsoft Access. Here is an example of a simple Excel spreadsheet, which just has the title of an image. It has the date created and how long it took. The catalogue could be something as simple as this. Then again, it could be as complex as something like this. If it opens in the right window, on the right screen, which is my catalogue. One thing I found is to actually get things done with it, I had to be getting information out of it quite quickly. This one was started building as I was scanning folders of drawings into the computer. So right away I had some data I was wanting to get out of the system, which was contents of folders. For example, folder, say 10, and here we can actually see, zoom in so you can actually see, this is actually the contents page of the folder. This report, it's got what page it's in, title, description line, date, and the thumbnail. And this goes into the front of these folders, which then contain my drawings. Now this one's quite sophisticated. It is homebrewed, where I can even call up a variety of information, including I can do searches, I can view all the records, close that screen. I can even view, for example, all the CG. Some items don't have thumbnails, and then I can actually go call up the details of a piece of artwork. Now this screen here is pretty well the same as the one I used to enter the data in as well. Yeah, all these question marks, they actually come up with little pop-ups. Now this is quite a sophisticated one. Not everyone needs one as sophisticated as this system. Now if I go back to the main menu, I can, as I was saying, this the entry form, and it even has a spell check function. Underlying all of this is a table path, of which you see here all the different fields, which if I go into design view, here we can actually see all the different fields that this table needed for this Access database. Now go back to there. Now this type, most everyone would have software available to do this type, which if all you want to do is keep track of what date items were created, what was created, and maybe where it's stored. I mean, this would, you can make a simple one in here and then be able to sort. There are ways of sorting. Sort. Oops, I don't usually use this. Sort on. Sort by column A, values A to Z. Now it's just listed these in alphabetical. Could actually tell it to sort by column B by date. So you can actually make a simple one up using Excel or any other spreadsheet, whether that be the one that comes with LibreOffice, OpenOffice. But my one I've built in Microsoft Access. So yeah, which again we shall see that the reopening. That's just part of my dual monitor desktop. If I go, this should be it's over here, I think. Show desktop. My wallpaper on Windows here and on Linux are panoramic views of around Wellington. So I go back into here. Again, back in here. Yeah, I can even find out. I can even actually open up my burning. That broke when I did my system restore, but normally that button will launch my burning program so I can archive graphics projects, which will look in folders such as not that one, that one, silly Microsoft example. We go up to here and example one I did recently. Not that one. iBoards. This folder here is for a piece I've just done. Which is that there. Right. So I'm not, and this isn't a tutorial on how to make a database or catalogue, but just to show you how a couple of examples of how it can be done. Right, so okay, now so that's basically it. So we just show you a couple of images, some of the things that Nope, wrong folder. Okay. That's for something else. I'm trying to find. An example of drawings. Plus we can have okay, we also have various other images. Vending machines. Things like that. All sorts. Dummies. So I mean, and even costumes. Library. You can have silly program. Here's shots of a mask and gloves. That's quite an old one. Old bit of costuming. This part needs to be updated. Yeah, so the database I've built can handle costuming items such as the garment you see here. It can handle drawings. It can handle digital created works. Even these blogs can be catalogued in. So it's easy than scratching your head and trying to figure out when something was created. And it does take a bit of time to set up, but once it's got, if there's data you want out of the system quite quickly, you're more likely to get it done than if you're not really going to get any data out until you're nearly done. Now, just go back into the okay. Okay, I'm going to leave you with, when I find it, one image. Actually, the costume here was actually made by me. It was actually made to wear to Armageddon Pop Agriculture Expo. It's sort of an astronaut suit with LED lights in it. So thank you for watching.